so that I think you understand how to talk each other person by this free4talk.com. So I want to show you this another option. So can you see this option, this create a new group, just touch in here and you can see this read the condition required to create topics. You can select any topics, just you can write in here. And unlimited, if you want to talk this one person, you select one. If you want to talk this both two person, select here. If you want to talk this four person, you select in here. Or if you want to this one person, in here select. And language select. So there are so many languages in here, but we need to English language. Okay, so we are scrolling, I'm scrolling and searching this English language. Can you see that I got this English language? And second one, in any level you can select this level, any level, beginner, upper beginner, intermediate, you can select this. But it is most of the person doesn't care that. Okay, because you select this level. But can you see this in a one ring? I select this one person, so this is one circle in here. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to follow this person. So just in, and this group is full, so you cannot enter in here. And this also, this in here you can join, because and I want to show you how to follow this option. Okay, this room is full, so I cannot open this. And I want to show you this another option, and follow system. You just join in here, and you can, and you want to talk this free for apps, free4talk.com apps. You can install this and touch in here, and in this page you can see this page, this apps interior in this same page. So okay, don't worry, and you just join in here and follow, how to follow. And can you see this setting option? You just touch in here and follow. Okay.